Hey everyone, Sergio with the Rideshare guy. Welcome to another episode of Sergio's Diaries. When will the mental abuse end? This is the question for this video and the title, as you guys can see. I've been working with Lyft for about a year now, not officially obviously, behind the scenes, trying to get rid of these passive aggressive emails that drivers get after cancellations. Now, the big brother, Uber, has joined the party. Look at these screenshots over my shoulder, or this way, either way. But I call this nothing but abuse of privilege. I call this nothing but abuse of power. What kind of state of mind will this put a driver after they receive in-app notifications such as those, saying that your poor service performance could be getting you deactivated or suspended? And most of these cancellations, I have spoken to drivers who send me these screenshots. Either they don't do it at all. These are all AI generated, cut and paste, automated, garbage notifications. Or, I don't know. I mean, we are independent contractors. We are allowed to cancel if we don't feel safe. It is in their terms of service. It's not like we're going around willy-nilly canceling trips after accepting it. In this specific case, Uber accused this driver, who has a perfect record, as you guys can see, 100% acceptance rate, 0% cancellation rate. Uber accused this driver of calling the passengers in advance after accepting the request and telling them to cancel. I've spoken to this driver. He says, Sergio, I have never done anything like that. Why would I do it? Look at my acceptance rate. Look at my cancellation rate. I accept and I drive. I'm retired. I want to make some money. In Lyft's case, it's the same thing. I mean, if we do cancel for unaccompanied minor, if we cancel for too many people showing up for our space that is only available for 4, if we cancel because we don't feel unsafe, these are all in their own terms of service. We are, as drivers, adhering to their rules. We're playing by their rules, but still, this mental abuse continues. What kind of really seriously attitude this driver is going to have after he or she receives a warning like this? Please chime in the comments below. And don't forget to join us every Tuesday for Show Me the Money Club, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern.